In today's video, we're going to learn the difference between shallow copy and deep copy. Let's say I have a list A that has elements 1, 2, and 3. And let's say I write B equals A. Now I copy A to B. This is shallow copy. Shallow copy is simply copying the container, not the elements, which means container B is now equal to the container A, which means if I change B, I will change A as well. And to prove that, I'll write B dot append 4. And if I print both A and I print B as well, you will see that they will both have elements 1, 2, 3, and 4. As you can see, they both have elements 1, 2, 3, and 4. But if I don't want that, I can use something that's called deep copy. To do that, I have to import copy module and write B equals to copy, because it's from copy module dot deep copy. As you can see, this copy is shallow copy, but you can write it the way I showed you before, simply equal A. And here pass a container A. Deep copy is copying the content of the container, not the container itself, which means now B will have all the elements of this A here. It will have elements 1, 2, and 3, which means if I change B, I will only change B, not A. So A will only have elements 1, 2, and 3, and B will have this 4 at the end. As you can see, A has 1, 2, and 3, and B has elements 1, 2, 3, and 4. Did you like this quick tutorial? Watch my full breakdown of mutable versus immutable types. It will level up your Python instantly. And hit that subscribe for more.